Hey guys, today in this video, you will be able to follow simple, fun, and easy tutorial on PancakeSwap and UNISWAP. Welcome to the Sky DeFi channel, where we aim to help people learn how to generate income with decentralized finance. If you are interested in anything related to the world of decentralized finance, cryptocurrency, or investing, don't hesitate to subscribe to keep up with the next video. The purpose of this one is to show you how to buy cryptocurrencies in preview on the centralized exchange platforms that are PancakeSwap and UNISWAP. These two platforms allow you to get cryptos before they are on bigger platforms like Binance, Crypto.com, Kraken, KuCoin, or Swissborg, and when their market cap has already reached significant levels. This video should be considered as a good plan, and it's really a must-see one that will teach you how to buy before everyone else, how to buy a crypto before it has completely exploded. To follow this video in its entirety and follow the step-by-step advice, you will need some tools like a computer or maybe a phone, but it's not necessarily ideal. The best is to be on a computer, to have a MetaMask wallet, and to put some crypto on it. You will see the level of difficulty is not really high. You just have to follow step-by-step the different indications mentioned in this video. Before going to these two platforms, you will need a MetaMask or Trust Wallet type wallet. Here we will review MetaMask because it is the easiest and most common, but the logic remains the same with Trust Wallet. We will try to simplify things and stick to MetaMask. A tutorial on how to use MetaMask or Trust Wallet has been made on this channel, and you can check those two videos out by clicking on the link in the description down below. So make sure you watch them. It's not that very complicated to download MetaMask. Just go type in your browser MetaMask and go to the first link, which is metamask.io, and when you click on it, you have to make sure that you download it. If you are on Google Chrome, just choose Chrome and click on download right here. Click on add to Chrome, and then you have to add the extension, and we will see that at the top there was the little fox that appeared. So we can click on the extensions right here, and we can see that there is MetaMask, and we can pin it so that it is directly visible. Then we press start. Now either you already have a MetaMask account, or you've lost it, or you've changed computers, in which case you can use the first option and import an existing portfolio, or you can create a new portfolio, which is what we're going to do. So you can click on create a new portfolio, and then you have to create a password and accept the terms and conditions, and click on the create button. Here you will be given a recovery phrase, and to make the sequence of words appear, you need to click on reveal words. Then you will have to write down on a piece of paper the sequence of words which will constitute your password in order to connect to MetaMask. It is very important to download the words that you are given here, and then you do the following. You retype the words you were given, and once you enter the words, you click on confirm, and congratulations, you have created your digital wallet on MetaMask, and then click on all done. And now this is how the portfolio appears. But before we dive more into that, I want to remind you that you have to keep this sequence of phrases in good safekeeping. Just make sure you don't lose it. Alright, going back to remind you, what is MetaMask used for? MetaMask is simply used to buy cryptocurrency on the Ethereum network, Binance Smart Chain network, or on Matic. In short, on many different networks, and once you've done that, you have to feed your MetaMask account. You have to feed your portfolio, and in particular to pay the fees, because each time you make a transaction, each time you make an exchange, or participate in a liquidity pool, or do yield farming, all this complicated stuff, you have to pay the fees. Here we see that we have the Ethereum network, which is displayed right here, and therefore you will need to have Ether symbolized by the acronym ETH. To feed your MetaMask wallets with Ethers, you can go on any Crypto.com, Binance, Kraken, Coinbase platform, and send Ethers from this to your MetaMask wallet, which is a decentralized wallet, and therefore the responsibility is yours alone. And if you're wondering to which address you will send it to, your address is displayed right here. Once you have your MetaMask wallet and have it set up properly, you can buy cryptocurrencies exclusively in the PancakeSwap or UNISWAP platform. Now let's talk about UNISWAP. Let's start with the tutorial on this platform in relation to the Ethereum network with the example of the POKEN token. To find the contract number of this token in question, just go to the coin market cap, then type the name of the token in the search bar, and see below the logo of the token is the address of the contract that you will just have to copy directly. Once you have the address of the contract, just go to the Uniswap site, which is uniswap.org. For this one, make sure you have the right address. Now once you arrive on the site, you won't see anything to exchange, and it's normal because you have to go back to Google and type in Uniswap app, and there you will arrive on app.uniswap.org, and there you can exchange crypto. And if you want to buy a crypto via Uniswap, you need Ether first. To do this, make sure you are on the Ether network. Once this is done, you can go to uniswap.org. Here we are told that we can exchange Ether for another token, so here we go to select a token that we will be able to copy the address of the token. In this case, we will exchange Ether for token, and then we will put the amount we want to exchange. We will notice that there is no order market, that the whole operation is totally decentralized, and you can buy tokens at the market price. Once you're ready, just click on exchange and you will have to validate the swap. If the deal could not be completed because of a slippage problem, you have to click on this little wheel at the top. Often the tolerance rate is 0.10%, but you can increase it a little bit until the transaction succeeds. When the transaction is about to be validated, we are notified of the transfer fees, which are usually high on either network. Important to know, depending on the time of the day you buy, the transaction fees can vary considerably. Usually in the afternoon around 3 p.m. is when the congestion for fees is the highest. However, if you do it early in the morning or during the night, it is usually much cheaper. Once you have validated all the steps, you will have to officially purchase token or the crypto you want to buy on the Ether network. Then you will go to your MetaMask account just above, and in most cases, you will realize that the crypto you just bought does not appear in your MetaMask wallet. You will have to add it manually, and to do this, just go to the bottom where it says add a token, and if you go to custom token, you put the address of the contract, the same address of our example with token that ends with 509503. Automatically, it is recognized that it is the token with 18 decimal places, and you click on next, and if you bought token, they will appear directly in the balance right here. Then you add the tokens and you have succeeded in adding the token to your MetaMask address. And that's how to buy crypto on Uniswap and therefore on the Ether network. And now we will see how to buy the same crypto for much cheaper on the Binance Smart Chain network via PancakeSwap. It's the same operation but cheaper. Here it must be said that token is on the Ether network and also on the Binance Smart Chain network, but this is not the case for all cryptos. Sometimes it's one, sometimes it's the other, sometimes it's both like here. So be sure to check the network to see if you're using Uniswap to buy it. And now we switch to PancakeSwap. To buy a Binance Smart Chain token, you will need to have a BNB in your MetaMask wallet. To add some, you just have to go on an exchange like Binance, Crypto.com, Kraken, Coinbase, and send BNB from Binance, for example, to your MetaMask address. Your address, it appears at the top here, and you just have to send the BNB right here. And don't go to the wrong network when you send your cryptos, alright? Once you have sent and received the BNB, this allows you to buy the equivalent in another crypto. In order to buy in a crypto, that crypto has to be in the Binance Smart Chain, and so once that's done, you go to Pancake Finance and go to trade at the top left for exchange. We are going to trade BNB, which is the governing crypto of the Binance Smart Chain, and here we're going to choose at the bottom of the cryptocurrency we want to buy. Once again, we will keep the example with the token, so put the address of the token contract right here. And so here we put the number of BNB we want to buy, so for example this much, and the platform automatically converts how many token we will receive. Here we are given a 10% slippage tolerance, which means that if the price fluctuates by more or less than 10%, the purchase will still go through. The best thing is to change the slippage by 0.1%, and even if I am told that there is a big chance that it will not pass, but at least you can try it. Then once you have decided on the amount that you want to buy, just click on the swap button right here and confirm the swap. So let's try. Here you will see an error, so you can try to change the slippage, and above all, a piece of advice: if you have a number of BNB, don't click on the max button because otherwise you won't have enough to pay the fees. So always put a little bit less than what you have so that there is still left to pay for all the fees. Here you can change the slippage and you can try 1%. Press swap again and confirm. If it doesn't work, you have to understand that it depends on how much buying and selling there is at the moment. We can try with 5% and we can swap again and confirm, then we have the possibility to buy and we can confirm. You will see that the costs on a Binance Smart Chain network are much lower than the Ether network. Once you have bought the crypto, you realize that it does not appear in your wallet. Some operations, as with the UNISWAP, you have to add a token. Paste the address of the contract and look carefully that it is the address of the contract on the BSC and not on the Ethereum. Now you see the token appearing with the number of decimal. Just click on next and add tokens, and if you have bought the tokens, they will appear and be stored here. And if you want to resell your token, just do the operation in reverse and click on the little arrow here to switch. Click on max, and in exchange for your token, you will be given BNB. If you want to add liquidity and earn a little money on each trade, you can go to trade and liquidity. In fact, you earn money because you will add chips and you will be paid for providing chips. You can also try and be a farmer or staker and get very interesting returns in APY. That is to say, in cumulative interest. Once you have bought some cryptos, you can store them, pool them, farm them, and generate interest on them. And that's the end of this video. Hopefully this one has helped you understand how to buy cryptos exclusively on UNISWAP or PancakeSwap platform. These are very useful platforms to buy cryptos before it gets indexed on much higher platforms like Binance or Coinbase. If you like this video, give us a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to follow the News of the Sky DeFi channel by turning on the notification bell. Check out our other videos on the channel and educate and inform yourself on cryptocurrencies and decentralized finance. Till soon!